Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Apple Watch to track sleep. First, make sure your Apple Watch is updated to the latest watch OS. Then, open the Sleep app on your watch or the Health app on your iPhone. You'll want to set up your personalized sleep schedule, including your bedtime and wake-up times. Don't forget to enable Track Sleep with Apple Watch within the Health app settings to ensure accurate data collection. For accurate tracking, wear your Apple Watch comfortably on your wrist every night. It's crucial to have at least 30% battery life before you go to bed, so charge it up. Activating sleep focus mode will help minimize interruptions, ensuring a more restful night. Your watch will then automatically detect when you fall asleep and wake up, recording your sleep stages without any extra effort from you. After a night's sleep, you can view your detailed sleep data. The Health app on your iPhone will show your sleep stages: awake, REM, core, and deep sleep. You can also analyze your total sleep duration and consistency, helping you identify patterns. Additionally, you'll see your heart rate and blood oxygen levels recorded throughout the night, providing a comprehensive overview of your sleep health. To enhance your sleep tracking experience, ensure your Apple Watch is properly calibrated for your wrist. Regularly review and adjust your sleep schedule in the Health app to match your actual habits. Using a comfortable, breathable watch band can also significantly improve comfort during the night. Finally, maintaining a consistent and dark sleep environment will contribute to more accurate and insightful sleep data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.